Highest charity was collected by this club with $60, and there are 12 students in this club. And the second one is this one with $50, and there are 16 students in this club, so this ratio is equal to 3 to 4. Charity collected is equal to 20 plus 30 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40, and then the total number of students is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20, and this ratio is equal to what we have here is 100, another 100, $200 has been collected here, and the total number of students is equal to 20, 36, 38, 48, 58, 66, and this is approximately equal to $3. 40 of the top 40 scores would be accepted to the job, so let's sum these up. 12 plus 14 plus 16 is equal to 42. These guys will already get accepted, and there will be only, since there are 40 vacancies, there will be 2 jobs, 2 people, 2 applicants who won't be accepted from here, and the answer therefore is 2. 3,600 kilograms has been sold, and in July, as you see here, 20% of this has been sold. So what is sold is 20% of this 3,600, and this is equal to 750 kilograms. Sold 40% of 3,600 kilograms in August, and this is actually equal to 1440 kilograms. And this farmer has sold this watermelons for $4 per kilogram, so he got this much of money. When I multiply for these two numbers, what I get is equal to, let's multiply by 4, 0, 6. This is the answer. Without calculating a thing, I can give the answer. As you see here, in September, both the price and the ratio of sales, percentage of sales, is the lowest. Therefore, the lowest income would be in September. Since we have a percentage here, 100% would be represented by 360 degrees, and 1% would be represented by how many degrees? This would be equal to 360 over 100. This is equal to 3.6 degrees. So each percentage would be shown by 3.6 degrees. For stationery here, for rent here, we have 15%. So the angle that we are looking for is equal to, let's say the angle, let's call it angle alpha. That would be equal to 3.6 times 15, which is equal to 54 degrees. For 250 math books, we need to pay $4 per each, because it is less than 300. And for 350 English books, $3 must be paid for each. And for 602 science books, $2 must be paid each. And when I calculate these, this is going to be 1,000. This is going to be 1,050. And this is going to be 1,204. When I sum these up, what I have is going to be 4, 5, 2, $3,254. The change in physics books between 2013 and 12 is 100 minus 120 over 120. That's why what we have is minus 20 over 120, which is nearly equal to minus 16%, 16.6%, or you can say this is equal to minus 17%. So the decrease is 17%. Calculate that average in 2011 and 12. The total number of books purchased were 140 plus 100 plus 90 plus 120 plus 90 plus 90 divided by, there are 6 elements now, equal to 6 divided by 6. So this is equal to, what we have here is 260, 360 plus 270 divided by 6, and this is equal to 630 over 6, which is equal to 105. Total number of aircrafts is equal to 40 plus 30 plus 50 plus 60, and this is equal to 180. Therefore, 180 aircrafts would be shown by 360 degrees. Then, how many degrees one aircraft would be shown by how many degrees? X is equal to 360 over 180, which is equal to 2 degrees. This means that one aircraft would be shown by 2 degrees. And they're asking us central angle of C. There are 30 aircraft, so that angle would be 2 times 30, which is equal to 60 degrees. Since we have an inverse proportion, the multiplication of x and y must be constant. Therefore, the multiplication of any 2 points, that is x plus 2 times 200, must be constant, and this must be equal to x minus 1 times 400. Now we can easily find x. We can just simplify this. This is going to be 2, so x plus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. That is, x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. Now when I subtract x from each side, what I have is 2 is equal to x minus 2. Now let's add 2 to each side so that we can find what x is. X is equal to 2 plus 2. This is equal to 4.